Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to understand how to download and install Java. So first of all, we have to open any browser and type the link I have mentioned for oracle.com. And then I have highlighted one link in the PPT. You can see. So you have to click on that link for Windows if you are downloading for Mac, then click on Mac and then the link. If you are for Linux, then click on Linux and then the link, and then you have to click on that link. Then one Microsoft Explorer pop-up will come. You have to click on save, and then it will be downloaded in your downloaded folder. So you have to click it, then there will it will take some time of 1 minute approx, and then you have to click on next, then again next, and then some installation will start, and it will take 1 minute time, and then you have to click on close. So your Java is downloaded, but it will not execute as you have to set up the Java path. That is very important thing. So you have to click on your window or start icon in your laptops or computer, and then you have to type environment variable and then click on it. It will open. Then there is a last option where you can see environment variables. Then to click on it, and then in the environment variables you have to add that. So you have to click on new button. Now in after new button, variable name you have to enter like java underscore home in caps, and your full path you have to write of C programming file java jdk bin, and click ok. When you do this, after that you have to verify that java is installed correctly or not. So you have to go to your laptop start button or windows button and type cmd. That means command prompt will should open. So click on it and write java hyphen for java space hyphen version. Then it will show you the version. If it does not show you, you can comment me, I will help you. And if it works fine, then it's fine. Otherwise, try to repeat all the steps. Maybe something is missed, that's why it's not showing. Then try again. Okay, so your java is successfully installed. If you have any question, please comment, and please like and subscribe, and do share. Thank you. Bye bye.